LDL, low-density lipoproteins, known as bad cholesterol, is a thick, fat-like substance produced by the liver that can clog arteries. HDL, high-density lipoprotein, helps eliminate LDL cholesterol. High cholesterol, caused by junk food, poor lifestyle, lack of exercise, drugs, and alcohol, can lead to strokes and heart attacks. Regular blood tests to check cholesterol levels are recommended starting at age 25. Symptoms of high cholesterol. In this video, we describe what are the warning signs of high cholesterol that you should never ignore, so recheck yourself with these symptoms and ask your doctor for a diagnosis. 1. Bloating and digestive issues. Overeating fatty and fried foods raises cholesterol levels by increasing the liver's production of bad cholesterol. This can cause bloating and heaviness even after eating small amounts. The excess lipids disrupt metabolism and digestion, leading to persistent bloating and decreased appetite. If you regularly experience these symptoms, it is crucial to get a lipid profile test to monitor your cholesterol levels and manage your health. 2. Bad breathing. Bad breath is a common symptom of high cholesterol. LDL, which doesn't dissolve in the blood, sticks to the arteries and hampers digestion. Poor digestion can lead to a bad odor from the stomach, causing bad breath. If your breath suddenly worsens and people start avoiding you, it's important to schedule an appointment with a doctor. 3. Numbness in the body parts. Numbness in the body parts can be early signs of high cholesterol. If you are constantly experiencing numbness in your body parts, then high cholesterol can be responsible for that. However, other causes can also be responsible for numbness and swelling. When bad cholesterol appears high in your body, it affects blood circulation and prevents healthy nutrients from reaching the body. The lack of proper oxygen is also a cause of swelling and unusual numbness. 4. Chest pain. Chest pain is a critical symptom of high cholesterol and should never be ignored. Many people with cardiac issues report heaviness and chest pain but may not recognize these warning signs, sometimes leading to fatal outcomes. High cholesterol affects blood circulation, increasing pressure on the arteries and causing chest pain, heaviness, and hypertension. If you or someone else experiences these symptoms, seek a lipid profile test and begin treatment immediately. 5. Headache and nausea. Thousands of people die every year due to increased cholesterol because it affects our heart. Headache and nausea are also one of common symptoms of high cholesterol levels. There are several reasons available that can produce headaches and dizziness. Still, if you have unusual dizziness and loss of control of yourself and brain fog, it is not a usual thing. The interference in blood circulation prevents proper oxygen in the brain, so you feel a headache and nausea. 6. Tiredness and stress. If you feel excessive fatigue, tiredness, and sleepiness throughout the day, don't ignore these symptoms. While various factors can cause these issues, experts now believe high cholesterol is one of them. High cholesterol prevents your body from getting essential nutrients and oxygen, leading to a lack of energy and persistent tiredness. High cholesterol significantly impacts overall health, with common symptoms indicating potential problems. Regular checkups and simple blood tests can easily monitor cholesterol levels. If your LDL is high, avoid fatty and junk foods and opt for healthy foods that boost HDL levels. Exercise and medication can also help manage cholesterol. If you have questions, feel free to ask and share this information with friends to raise awareness.